How to remove a debit card from your PayPal. In this short video, I will just explain you how you can remove your debit card from PayPal in just few steps. So first of all, you have to log in into your PayPal, and once you log in, just you have to click on pay and get paid. Once you take your mouse here, on the left side you will see the two options, money and bank and cards. So just click on bank and cards here, and you have to just wait for a few seconds. And here basically in the credit and debit card option, you will able to link a card. So you have to just click on link a card, and here you will able to link a card. You have to enter all the information here. But if you want to remove a card, it's very easy to do it. You have to do the same thing. Just scroll a little bit down and click one of the card. For example, this is a card and I want to remove it from my account, right? So I will just go here and click on remove card. And once I click on remove card, it will again redirect me here. And once if I click on remove this card, then my debit card will get removed. So this is how you can just remove your card from PayPal. And I hope you found this video really useful.